Alexa, ask Robovac to start cleaning.
Low battery. Heading home. Finish charging. Resume cleaning.
Alexa, ask Robovac to start cleaning.
Ethan, where are you?
Low battery. Heading home. Finish charging. Resume cleaning.
first, let's take a look at the design. On the top, we have the power button, which also doubles as a battery indicator. The top can flip open where you'll find the dustbin and filter. The bottom side of the vacuum features dual spinning brushes, 3 wheels, and the direct suction vent. The Pure Clean robot has a diameter of 11 inches and a height of 2.9 inches. Additionally, the Pure Clean weighs only 3.5 pounds. The Pure Clean comes with just a few basic accessories, including a pin charger, filter, and 4 spinning brushes. Overall navigation on the Pure Clean was pretty basic, but also pretty good. The vacuum lacks dirt detection, advanced navigation features, camera, or advanced sensors. However, it still does a pretty good job as far as basically navigating around your home and common obstacles. 1 button press to start, 1 button press to stop, and plug the pin power connector in to charge. To empty the dustbin, simply pop open the top flap, remove the dustbin, remove the filter, and empty into the trash. To maintain the Pure Clean, you'll need to periodically replace both the filters and the brushes. Beyond that, the only major maintenance item is going to be emptying your dustbin. The battery has a capacity of 850 milliamps, a runtime of 90 minutes, and takes around 4 hours to charge.